Hello, my name is Evelia Arriaza, Senior Vice Chairman with Youngevity International. Our Chief of Operations, Michelle Wallach, and myself came together and created this health and beauty kit for you. Why? Because we saw the importance of women being educated on the topic of cosmetic toxicity. It is something that is very dear and near to our hearts because beauty and health is all one topic for women. As women, those messages have been separated for us, but I want you to realize that today is the end of that, because what you put on your skin is in your system 26 seconds later, and it is affecting your health. Understand that your makeup and your beauty products have 1,000 times more toxins than the food you consume. And it's a very simple step that we can do to use Youngevity Mineral Makeup, which is amazing coverage, amazing pigmentation, and better your health at the same time, because everything beautiful begins from the inside out. And so it has become our passion project here at Youngevity. The kit is essential for you to have, not only because it is equipped with everything that you need personally to use our makeup, to use our brushes, to use all of our beauty projects, but because in the process of that, you get to build a beautiful business. I could assure you that this kit works and that it's essential that you get it. I am currently the fastest growing female producer in the company, and I have built my business around this health and beauty message. What better than to nourish our bodies with the Healthy Start Pack with Dr. Wallach's vitamins, minerals, and then nourish the outside of your skin. Everything at Youngevity has an intention of nutrition. Even our makeup has lavender, essential oils, things that are going to be nourishing your skin at the same time that it's enhancing your beauty. What a better way to be passionate, to help more people, to empower more women, to educate more women, to create a message that health and beauty is one that here at Youngevity. Remember that the Health and Beauty CEO Kit will help you build an amazing business. Join us on this journey.